Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this exciting video where I am announcing that I am making this service available for free for everyone to control their ESP-32 from the internet from anywhere in the world, and many more things, many great things actually to come. But first things first, let me show you how this thing works. So as you can see here, I want to update the LED value. Now if I update this value, if I wait for a few seconds, actually it doesn't work. Why? Because by mistake I have just removed this code here. Let me run this. Now it should work. All right, waiting for it to work out, and here we go. Now it's running, connected to the internet, and we have this LED turned on. Now let me go back to the browser here. Let me turn it off. Update the action. It's off, on, and it's on. So how you can do that? First of all, go to esp32.bostong.net, and from here you will be most likely logged out. So actually you don't have an account yet, so go to login register, and from here go to register, create an account. Straightforward process. Once you do that, you will be directed to a login page. So from here you can log in. Let me just very quickly do my credentials here. And once I do that, you can see you have here a dashboard where you can see your projects and actions. So first thing first is you can create projects, and you can create as many projects as you want. All right, dear students, from here go to projects, view your projects. Here you can see I have one project called Smart Farm that created the token, and this is very important. We'll talk about this in a little bit. And from here we can view this project or delete it. All right, and also we can create a new project. So let's give this a project name. Let's name it maybe water pump, because maybe we want to control a water pump. So a description: this is a project to control mini greenhouse water pump. Sorry for that, not pump and control and greenhouse. All right, create a project. Now you can see it's created. We have it right here. We have this token. Now from here, to control ESP-32 from the internet, we need to create action. So we go to actions. From here you can see I have some actions here. Don't worry about them. Let's start fresh, create a new action. From here I will call this maybe blue LED, and it can have one of two values, maybe on or off. Of course you can choose other values, but make sure they are descriptive of what they should be doing. So on and off, right? And these should be comma separated, as you can see here. If you want to add, just add another comma, and maybe you will have a value called dim. So you will dim an LED, for example. But for now, keep things simple. And the project, maybe I want this to be, this action should belong to which project. You can already see here I have Smart Farm project. So let's create a water pump, or sorry, let's make this action belong to the water pump project. Create action. Now you can see blue LED. It's for project water pump. We have these values. Current value is on, and you notice that the current value or the default value will be for a specific action is the first value you pass to these values list here. Of course you can change that. We go here, all right, and from here we can turn it off or make it off. Now it's off. If we go back to action center, Now it's off, right? So let's go back to change. Now, if we go to the documentation here, Actions API, you will see here a detailed description on how you can do that. So I will just copy this code, right? Paste here. And remember, we need the token. So we go back to projects, view your project. And from here, this is water pump project. So I will copy this token here and go back here. And here, as you can see, we provide this token. So if I paste this, now, if I just copy this right here, copy this link, all right, and come here, paste and go, you will see I have a JSON response with the action and the current value and current date and current time. If I go back here, let me just go right here, go to actions. Let me create another action. So I will name this maybe dummy action, right? It will have a value maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the values, and this will belong to water pump, right? If I create this action, now come back here, refresh this, now we will see we have the blue LED action, and we have what's this? Anyway, and we have the dummy action right here, which has value currently set to 1. All right. Now, anyway, so you can see the name is blue LED that we are interested in. So I'll name this here, change this to be blue LED, and here blue LED. All right. Now let me Control C here, so we stop this running operation and run it one more time. Now remember, this code here is just basically sending a request, a GET request, to get the action values, right? So if you have more actions, you can have more if statements here to handle them. And based on these, we can turn it off or on. As you can see here, it's turned off now. If we go back here, all right, this water pump, not here, but actions, blue LED, it's off. Now let's change that, turn it on, and just wait a few seconds, and it's on. Now, why is the delay? Actually, the delay is because ESP-32, despite the fact it's fast, it runs on 240 megahertz, but it's not as fast as your computer. So dealing with internet stuff takes time on ESP-32. This is hard fact to deal with. Anyway, so it will take time to send a request, take it back, process it, and present it to you. So that's how you can control your ESP-32 from the internet. You can register on this website. It's called esp32.postng.net. It will be on the screen. And after that, you can create as many projects as you want. You can create as many actions as you want. And actually, I am currently working on notifications API. It's actually ready. I'm just writing the documentation here. So it will be ready in 24 hours or so. So you'll be able to send notifications via email or push notifications, because there will be an Android app for this. So you can control your ESP32 from your Android. Will also support SMS and WhatsApp. But meanwhile, the one that's currently up and running is email. So you will be able to get email notifications to your inbox when certain action happens. For example, you set up a security alarm, and once this alarm is triggered, you will get notification to your email. And the best part is all of this is free. So that's all for this. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.